Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the lastest gadgets that came in the market.
When it's hot out, snow cones are the ideal icy treat. They're cold, colorful, sticky sweet, and make us feel like a kid again. Eating a snow cone brings back childhood memories of amusement parks and ice cream trucks, and if you like the idea of being able to enjoy them on demand, it's time to invest in a snow cone machine. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of snow cone maker on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Approximate capacity whether party time or snack time. This unit can hold up to 20, 8-ounce snow cones at a time. Product dimensions: 13.5 inch by 10.75 inch by 10.25 inch. Appliance specifications: 120 volts, 60 Hz, 35 watts. Nostalgia snow cone kits. Unit works perfectly with all Nostalgia snow cone kits. Try the snow cone kit, SCK 800, snow cone syrups, SCS 160, or the straws and cups. Stainless steel cutting blades. The precision cut stainless steel cutting blades equipped with this machine work quickly and efficiently to shave ice cubes into delicious, fluffy snow like ice. 360-degree views. With a chamber that's clear from all views, it's easy to shave ice and watch it pile up from any angle.
Number 2.
Party Pleaser holds enough snow for approximately 20, 8-ounce snow cones, making this perfect for birthday parties and other big events. Nostalgia snow cone kits. Unit works perfectly with all Nostalgia snow cone kits. Try the snow cone kit, SCK3, snow cone syrups, SCS 160, or the straws and cups. Stainless steel cutting blades. The precision cut stainless steel cutting blades equipped with this machine work quickly and efficiently to shave ice cubes into delicious, fluffy snow like ice.
Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.